Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So today we will be solving Leetcode 1695 maximum eraser value, which is a medium level question and the problem of the day at the Leetcode. So let's start it without any further delay. So what the question says, you are given an array of positive integer numbers and want to erase a subarray containing unique elements. Okay, the score you get by erasing a subarray is equals to the sum of its element. Okay, so return the maximum score you can get by erasing exactly one subarray. So it is asking us to remove exactly one subarray from the array, and there is no fixed size of that subarray. It can be as much as larger until it stores the unique elements. Okay, so what this question is, I think this question is pretty straightforward. Like this window having unique elements with maximum sum. So what could be the approach we can use? Before this, what should we be keeping in mind to solve this problem? So we have to keep track of previous elements. Okay, so what elements we have visited, and then we have to remove the previous elements until we have all the unique elements. So basically, whenever we have duplicate elements, so we have to remove the elements from the from our array so that it holds the property of unique elements. Okay, so we can be how can we solve this? We can use a head set to keep track of the previous elements and remove them optimally, and a sliding window to keep track of how many elements we have visited so far. So let's solve an example. This is an example in the question itself. So what it have elements 4 to 4, 5, 6. That is a hash set. So what can we do? We can use a simple sliding window like we can take a sorry, my bad. We can take an I pointer here and a j pointer here and a variable called sum, which will be initialized with 0, and this variable called max, which will be also initialized with 0. So what we will do, we will use the classic sliding window approach. We will move this j pointer towards the end and add the elements to the sum and into the head set. And whenever we counter with the duplicate element, we will start removing the elements from the uh, I pointer and start moving the I pointer. So let's start. So basically, whereas j is pointing to this 4. Do we have 4 in our head set? No. So keep we will add this 4 to the sum and add this 4 to the head set, and now our j pointer will be moved here. Now do we have this 2 in our head set? No. So we will add this sum to our sum, which will give us 6, and add this 2 to the head set. Now our j pointer will move here. So do we have this 4 in our headset? Yes, we have. So what we will do, we will simply remove this 4 and move our eye pointer to here, and also subtract this 4. This 4, not this 4, we are subtracting this 4 from our sum. And before subtracting, we will before so update our max variable, which will be maximum of 0,6, which is 6. Till now we have a sum of 6, which was this salary, which was this salary. Okay, so now our I pointer is here and j pointer is here. Do we have a 4? No, we don't have a 4. So we will add this 4 here and this 4 here. Now our j pointer will move from here to here. Do we have a 5? No, we don't have a 5. And we will add this 5 to our sum also. Now our j pointer will move from here to here. Do we have a 6? No, we don't have a 6, so we'll add a 6 and we'll add a 6. Okay, so now I'll take control from here to here, and now it is exhausted. So in the last you will check what is the value of sum and compare it with the maximum. If it is greater, then we'll update our maximum. Okay, so this is the answer for this particular case. Okay, so now you will be wondering why we are, since we are removing only one element from the initial position, so why do we need to keep, like, how can, should we not to removing only one element? So basically, it is working in this case only. Like you are encountered with a 4, and you have the 4 in the initial position. What what if this 4 was at this position, not this position? So see this example. Like you will add 1, you will add 2, you will add 4, you will add 5, you will add 4 again, but you previously encountered with a 4. Now you are trying to add this 4, so basically you have to use this 4 in order to add this 4. So before adding this, if you remove only one element, it will not remove the 4. So you have to keep removing the elements until you visit this element or this element does not belong in this set. Okay, so now let's go to Leetcode and put this up. It is loading. Okay. I don't think why it is taking too long. My okay, so set we have to set integer so equals to set. Okay, so basically I'm coding it in Java, and for C++ people, I will be posting the code in the description below. Okay, so you can see it on the equals to announce dot what is the we have to we have to store the list of the array and pointer will be 0 and g pointer will be 0. We will have a sum and we will have a maximum to 0. We are the larger pointer first. Okay, so maximum of simply initially not have uh, any duplicate element. So max sum y I is less than 0 and nouns sum set contains giving duplicate remove nouns of I and you I plus but before this we also need to remove this sum from and now set and j sum is equals to j j last what we will do is copy and paste it over here. You can write maximum. Let's try to read it. It is working or not. No, it is not working. It is happening. So this is 0. Okay. This is still writing. This. Okay, what is the issue then? Okay, what is the issue here? Okay, so my bad. We have to check whether the element at the jth position is in this set or not because it is a quit. It is causing the duplicate element. Let's run it. And see, it is running fine. Let's try to submit it if it is working or not. Yeah, it worked fine. So that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for the daily Leetcode and GSD